What's up guys? So I reached the limit today. So I got the expired session. So it means I need to stop. Otherwise, if I continue and visiting your house or your videos, so I will get violation. Yes. Then just I noticed about this one. The comment about this one and the comment about this one. So as I mentioned earlier that we need to comment as per the video. So if you comment inappropriate, so it will happen, it's not the impact of my video, it will impact to your visibility. You know why? Because every time if you comment like this emoji, what will happen is less visibility to you. Yes guys, one of the reason that we got violation like community guideline violation, so it happen if you or if we do like this every time. So for example, we comment have a great time in too many content from the others. So it will happen. Artificial intelligence, the system of Facebook, they will give us community guideline violation. So same what we are doing, sending too many emoji from the other content creator. Yes guys, the system of Facebook is artificial intelligence. So if they detected that we are sending too many emojis, so it might be the system of Facebook, the artificial intelligence, they are thinking that we are the robot. Then after that, they will give us community guideline violation. So it's not allowed like that. It's very inappropriate. So stop doing emoji to too many content creator. So just comment guys as per the video. Whatever you see in the video, just comment as per the video. It's the right thing to do. So I don't want you to get community guideline violation. So it happened to me. That's why I'm telling you, because the last time I did too many emoji, too many words like have a great time, I sent to everybody. So I got the community guideline violation. So I hope you understand my advice for today. So just follow me for more update and tutorial. Thank you so much and have a great day.